Another one of the unique ones, guys. This is the first time this one has been done. It's pretty much clean to the eye. You know, you got the high polish, nothing special when it comes to cuts. Thing that makes this thing different. Sorry, y'all. The open face heart cutouts. It's got the open face front three on right, 1, 2, 3. Polished fangs, and then this person did the heart cutouts. As you can see, Grillz are personal. Grillz are personal. Everybody has their own look, their own thing that they want, their own thing that they think is fresh, and it just, I'm telling you, they're so personal. These should almost have their fingerprints. Everyone's grill, because everyone has their own unique pattern. This thing represents whatever this person's personality is. Guarantee you, I've never met them, but guarantee you this represents their personality. So look at that polish, man. Oh my goodness. The beauty of golds or fronts. You guys see me holding my phone back there? Hey, that's what you call a perfect polish, y'all. All day, every day, perfect polish. Thank you everybody for tapping into the lives, man. Insta stories, Facebook feeds, all that good stuff, Snapchat. This is outstanding work right here, and I love the way this came out. Stay positive, stay blessed, y'all. Join the affiliate program on the website so you can make some money with us. Best hustle going on, legal. All we need is your W-9 form, and you are now legally a salesperson on the team, the Seattle Gold Grill staff of affiliates. We're up to 300 people now. Thank you guys so much. We are about to be taken over with the help of you. Have a blessed week, guys. Stay positive, stay blessed once again. Do not let anyone bring you down. Be easy. 1.